Natural gas. In this video, we'll be going over my trade idea of the week in the day-by-day probability model. So let's start off with the technical analysis on the 1 hour chart. We remain in positive MACD. We did see it converge. We're back at overbought levels with the RSI. With the 4 hour chart, we are in positive MACD and at overbought condition with the RSI. As we extend that further to the daily chart, we're back into positive MACD and nearing overbought levels with the RSI. As with the trade idea, I'll be trading UNG. My trade position size for it is less than 1% of my portfolio. My long entry is at $26.99, and that is this range here. My sell target is at $28.74. My stop loss is at $26.58. However, if I were to open a short position, my entry is at $29.61, and that is this range there. My sell target is at $27.43. My stop loss is at $30.52. So whichever entry price were to hit first, that'll be my position of the week. So how did I develop these trade ideas? It all comes from the day-by-day probability model. As we progress to the 5th day, or week of trading, natural gas has a 33% chance to climb between 0 to 4.6%, and to the downside a 67% chance to fall between 0 to negative 4.6%. So if you enjoyed this content, feel free to like, comment, subscribe, and thank you for watching.